Students, this is known as plate tapping test. What does it measure? Tests speed and coordination of limb movement. What does the infrastructure or equipment required? A table, adjustable height, 2 YOLO discs within 20 centimeter diameter and a rectangle with 30 into 20 centimeter and a stopwatch. Now see how to perform. If possible, the table height should be adjusted so that the subject is standing comfortably in front of the disc. The 2 YOLO discs are placed with their centers 60 centimeter apart on the table. The rectangle is placed equidistant between both discs. The non-preferred hand is placed on the rectangle. The subject moves the preferred hand back and forth between the discs over the hand in the middle as quickly as possible. This action is repeated for 25 full cycles, means 50 taps. The scoring, the time taken to complete 25 cycles is recorded. And what is it? Administrative suggestion. Participants should be encouraged to stand in a balanced posture, feet apart to shoulder width. Results are usually better if the participant can maintain constant pace during most of the run. Thank you.